The nice-to-have button maker machine kit is a sturdy tabletop press that feels solid in use and is well suited to frequent crafting sessions or event preparation. It comes as a genuinely complete starter package with hundreds of button parts plus fridge magnets, bottle openers, and keychain components, so you can experiment with many project types right away. The inclusion of multiple mold sizes lets you switch between different button formats, which is great for matching designs to specific occasions, age groups, or branding needs. Once set up, the lever action is smooth and consistent, so even beginners can turn out clean, professional-looking buttons after a short learning curve. The kit also provides cutters and a generous library of ready-made designs, which is helpful if you want quick results without investing in extra tools or graphic software. Because it can produce everything from party favors to small promotional giveaways, this machine works well for families, hobbyists, teachers, and small business owners who want reliable, repeatable results.